President's Bawat Bayan Makikinabang Relief and Assistance Program is relentless and far-reaching. Today, the president took his LGU-centric initiative to Zamboanga City for distribution of the endowments in the Socio-Civic Projects Fund and the Local Government Support Fund to his constituents down south. Our Marco Sadi has more on today's road trip that took him to the dreaded and one-time no-man's land of Sulu Province, where his scholarship beneficiaries gladly received and thanked him.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. distributed assistance in the province of Sulu, one of the southwesternmost and most remote areas of the Philippines. The president visited the province to distribute free rice under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. Around 3,000 beneficiaries each receive a 10-kilogram sack of rice.
Ito ang mga ating benepisyaryo ay ang mga poor at saka near poor. Yung sinasabi, kung hindi natin tulungan, ay bababa sa poverty line. Sabi ko, yun ang nilalabanan natin, na hindi sila bumaba. Bago pa mangyari yan, unahan na natin. Kaya yan po ang ating ginawa. Kaya to, meron tayong tig-10 kilong sako ng bigas para sa ating mga benepisyaryo.
The chief executive also turned over a total of 82 million pesos in assistance to Sulu, providing 200,000 pesos to each barangay. Half of the budget was allocated to the Presidential Scholarship Program.
Para sa akin, ito ang pinakamahalaga na maibibigay ng pamahalaan para sa ating mga kabataan. Ang edukasyon ay hindi ito pribilehyo. Ang edukasyon ay karapatan ng ating mga kabataan.
More than 400 barangays will also benefit from a 100,000 peso Social Civics Project Fund from the President. The fund will be used to build health centers, bridges, purchase service vehicles, and support other community projects based on local priorities.
Naipakita ninyo sa aming lalawigan ang mga tausog na ang aming probinsya ay kailanman hindi napapabayaan at napag-iiwanan.
The highest official of the land also witnessed the surrender of nearly 200 firearms from civilians across several municipalities in Sulu. The initiative aims to strengthen security in the province by reducing the number of unlicensed firearms. From Sulu, the president traveled to Zamboanga. There, he led the launch of Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. Each barangay also received 200,000 pesos in funding, for a total of 371 million pesos allocated to the Zamboanga Peninsula. The funds will support scholarships and various community development projects. The program aims to strengthen the capacity of local governments to respond more effectively to the needs of their constituents.
Pag maging maganda ang takbo ng programang ito at yung programa doon sa LGSF, kung maganda yan, titiyakin ko sa budget ng 2027, palaking pa natin yung bibigay natin.
President Marcos also inaugurated the Department of Social Welfare and Development's Walang Gutom Kitchen in Zamboanga City. It is the first Walang Gutom Kitchen in Mindanao and the third in the country, which aims to provide free meals to the country's poorest Filipinos. The program seeks to reduce hunger and malnutrition across the country. Marco Sadi for The Nation.